Welcome to your FX chart of the day. It is Good Friday, but FX markets are still open, so we thought we'd do one, particularly as I was just doing a live update and we had some significant movement on the Aussie and the Kiwi to the downside. Searched around the newswires, can't find anything of significance yet, but I thought I would quickly do this and get it out there. So we're looking at the Euro Kiwi as a good example of this. You can see there, this 4-hourly candle has bounced off the 200 MA, but really interesting is the 30-minute chart. And you can see there, we were sort of having a rounded bottom type of formation. And we actually, as on the session, we were doing this, and you can see the significant movement in this in the last 30 minutes of around about 89 pips. And it's continuing to go to the upside. We are seeing that against other crosses and some weakness in the Aussie. If we quickly look at the GB pound Aussie, you can see that's coming off a little bit. So it looks as though the Aussie has been dragged along with the Kiwi, and now we're seeing retracement of the Aussie. But if we look at the Aussie Kiwi, you can see that is very, very active as well. So some interesting action. Go and have a look. I will be trailing stop really tight behind any move that is like this, that moves at this velocity. The next level of interest, should it bridge, is this 191.72, which is challenging now. Really interesting right now price action, and I hope that's interesting. Just to reinforce what I've said, so that's from an educational point of view, it's not a bad thing to briefly reference. So if we originally sort of got in this trade here, saw it moving, we'd be doing this sort of activity. We might even go down to a shorter time frame and look for landmarks. At this stage, we'd probably be trailing and stop up to the bottom of this candle here. And should we breach this, then again, we'd be moving this up. So as it goes up with a velocity move like this, we'd be continuing to trail the stop quite tight, maybe even as tight. If we look at the gap between that, it's around about 12 pips. That's around about a half ATR. So we want to lock in as much of this profit as possible. I hope that's interesting, not just because of the FX chart, but also what you might do when we get a high velocity move. Trade safe and see you again soon. Bye bye for now.